This is Mark Wiens' restaurant in Bangkok, and today I had to find out, does it actually live up to the hype? From bold Thai flavors to one of the most talked about dishes in the city, this might be one of the best meals I've had in Thailand, or one of the most overrated. Let's find out. What's going on, family? This is my last day in Thailand. I'm about to catch a motorbike to a very famous restaurant here in Bangkok. So they jogging. I need to hold up. Let me jump in with them. Okay, that's enough. I've ran far enough. Man, I can't believe my time in Thailand is coming to an end. This trip has been full of moments I'll never forget. The food, the people, the energy. Before I go, there's one more spot I had to check out. Yo, back behind Mark Wiens' restaurant. Look like they're gonna open up like a little food court. I see all of these little mobile carts that they are installing here. And this is the back of Mark Wiens' spot. I got bit by a mosquito in the car, in the taxi car. Look, y'all, it ain't no joke. There's a big line out in front of here. Phed Mark. Look at this, y'all. Look at this right here, y'all. This is crazy. I'm about to get in line. We're gonna check out Mark Wiens' spot right here, Phed Mark. I don't like standing in line, y'all, but we gotta do what we gotta do here in Bangkok, Thailand. Dear. I'm gonna get the sour pork, y'all, the Thai sour sausage. We're getting closer, y'all. Evidently, they have upstairs and they have downstairs seating here. So you order your food and then you go outside and you wait until they call your number. At least that's what I have observed. I got my ticket, y'all. They said it's gonna be about 15 minutes. I got number 21 for those that love to play the lottery and y'all wanna know numbers. 21, 15 minutes. Maybe another 10 minutes to go, and then we're gonna be inside eating. Hopefully the lighting is right. We'll be able to get this footage for you guys. All right, y'all, they called our name. We're going upstairs. 21, that's downstairs. 21, going upstairs. Mark Wiens, Jones, let's go. It's kind of packed up here too, 21. Yep. Can I sit over here, it's okay? Okay, thank you. Had to get a seat over here by the light. Now we're sitting and we're waiting for our orders. It was about 15 minutes, 10, 15 minutes. Wasn't too long. Let's eat. All right, y'all, my food just came out, number 21. Let's read off the cost again in case I forgot it. The total here with the Pepsi is 194 baht. That ain't bad, y'all. 194 baht. We are under $6. Let's check it out. I like the way they got the egg like crispy there, man. Check this out. Let's see what else is in here. They got the pork in there, which is like Thai sausage, Thai pork sausage. They got the basil. They got those spices right there. And you got the rice under here, man. I'm gonna stop talking about it and be about it, and let's dig in. Let's check it out. First, I'm gonna go into the pork. That's that pork sausage right there. It's that pork sausage. Let's check it out. Ooh, it's spicy. The flavors are so rich in that pork. Look, you can even see some of the spices that they have in there. And it is spicy. I didn't know what to expect of any of this. You guys are the ones that asked me to come out here. Yo, that is some spicy pork. I need to mix a little rice with that. Hold on. Let's set this egg aside. I'm gonna dig into a little rice to kind of like balance out that spiciness from the pork. break this egg up. Break this egg up and let some of that egg cream fall over on the rice. Look at that cream there. See how that cream is falling over the rice? Deliciousness. That's that egg yolk. Let's get some of that up with the rice and a piece of pork. I just want to mix that up with the egg, the pork, and the rice. Let's get it. I'm gonna need my spoon. I'm using this the wrong way. And a little basil too. It's official, y'all. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give Mark Wiens restaurant here in Bangkok, the Ekamai station, I'm gonna give it a 9.5. And the way they fried that egg, it has that crispiness on the end. You can tell they just splattered it into some hot grease. That's that egg right there. See the little splatter? That extra fried crispiness. And the sausage, y'all, and the basil on top of it. Look at that sausage right there. And those hot chili peppers. I ain't messing with those. And you got some garlic here. There's also like some pepper sauce here too. We may grab some of that before it's over. Look, y'all, I'm gonna sit here and eat the rest of this food. I picked the 2 pepper spicy. That is really spicy. It's almost too spicy for me, but it's delicious. Once again, I give it a 9.5. We got the sour pork here in Bangkok. Let's go to the next stop. Y'all, we are leaving the building. And there's people still in line, still crowded. I just wanted to see how crowded it still was. Thank you. Ooh, at least it's nice and cool in there, y'all. We come out this start, but it's about 90 degrees out here. That's it, man. We've done it. We're here. We done ate at Mark Wiens, John. And on to the next one. And don't forget, if you're gonna catch the train here, the station, the stop is Asok, A-S-O-K, and Ekamai station is at the Asok. That is not true. That is not true. If you decide to come here, you want to definitely make sure, hey, how are you? All right. If you come here, you want to make sure you stop at the Ekamai station. This is the Ekamai train station that's over behind here. And Mark Wiens restaurant is right on the corner of the Ekamai station. Just come out to the sidewalk and you'll see his store there. There's upstairs, downstairs. Nice building. Now let's see what else we can get into, y'all. Let's go get on the train. Once again, it's the Ekamai train station. We're up here on the train tracks again. Our train should be coming that way, right? Look like I just missed one not too long ago. Let's go ahead and get a view. Bangkok. My name's Matt DV. Check out my YouTube channel. That helps support the travel and adventure and helps me create more content because you watch it. And if nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people, but you hanging with the right cat. Now, I love y'all, man. Have a beautiful day no matter what. Don't let nobody push your buttons. Don't wear buttons for people to push. Let go and live. Peace. Burger King? Burger King everywhere.